Hey guys! Are you want to buy best dash cam with night vision for cars? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best dash cam with night vision for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Garmin Dashcam 67W Extra Wide 180-degree FOV. Our top pick on our list of the best dashcam with night vision 2023 is Garmin Dashcam 67W. This is a pocket-sized camera for your vehicle's dash, taking almost no space and automatically recording and saving the videos of the incidents along with your GPS location, date, and time. The new 180-degree lens captures more of your surroundings, and the HD resolution ensures high clarity. Not only this updated version comes with various additional features like live view monitoring, voice control, parking guard alert, and driver alerts such as forward collision, lane departure, and speed camera warnings, which boost your situational awareness. You will need a Wi-Fi connection to upload recorded videos to secure the online vault. However, to access the camera remotely, you will require access via Garmin Drive app. Now our second product is Nexar Beam GPS with unlimited cloud storage. One of the best dash cams with night vision that you can BYD is the brand's most compact dashboard camera that gets easily concealed behind the rearview mirror. The camera gives you 1080p Full HD quality captured in amazing 135 degrees. However, it only works when paired with the Nexar app. The app allows you to get streams of live footage every time your vehicle is driven. With this HD 1080p car DVR dashcam with night vision, you get smart detection. It means the camera can sense critical situations like sudden brakes or collisions on the road and automatically save them as short clips on your Nexar app. Not only this, all your recorded videos get automatically backed up to your unlimited Nexar cloud account, and that too for free. You also get parking mode that provides you with an update regarding your ride as the camera senses even the slightest impacts and begins the recording ASAP. But the thing that we love the most about this dashcam with night vision is that at the tap of a button, Nexar can create detailed post-collision reports for your insurance claims, saving you time, money, and stress. Our third product is Lanmoto Car Night Vision Camera. Lanmoto Car Night Vision Camera Aftermarket Night Vision for cars is up next on our list. This camera is capable of capturing full-color HD images even at night. This dashcam with night vision majorly focuses on the night vision function to ensure your maximum security. The 7-glass lens comes with an infrared optical filter that allows for clearer and brighter images. The night vision system has a wide-angle vision of 36 degrees that gives a broader view of the road. Plus, the night vision distance extends up to 300 meters, alerting the driver in advance so that unsafe road situations can be avoided. This dashcam DVR with night vision can record amazingly in any weather condition. Whether it is raining, fogging, or other weather conditions, this dashcam will not disappoint you. The great thing about this affordable dashcam is that by pairing it up with an additional 12V battery, it can be turned into a portable night vision device. Also, the makers offer a 12-month warranty on the purchase. Now number 4, Vantru N4 3-channel 4K dashcam. If you want all-around surveillance in your vehicle, then this 3-channel dashcam with motion sensor and night vision will not disappoint you. This dashcam can simultaneously record front, inside, and rear views all at once, and that too in 4K and HD. Both the front and inside views are captured by sensors built into the primary front-facing unit, while the rear is recorded by a remote camera that is installed with a long cable. The rear cam is 360 degrees adjustable with an extension cable. The interior camera is adjustable and provides you with more flexibility and better viewing. This is ideal for all the professional drivers out there. Unlike many other dashcams out there, the N4 does not need a phone for footage view. The built-in screen comes with a dedicated button to change the settings and view the recordings. The camera keeps recording even while the car is parked, but in low resolution to maximize recording quantity. It is driven by both motion and impact detection. And our last choice is Nextbase 622 GW dash cam front and rear camera. One of the best looking dash cams you can buy for your ride is Nextbase 622 GW. This camera can capture in 4K resolution from its front camera and HD from its inside and rear ones. The image stabilization is amazing as it reduces the effects of vibrations on the recording. This dashcam even features dual 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi that provides you the faster file transfer and downloads from your cam to your phone. This dashcam also features defogging, meaning it will capture clear footage even when nothing is properly visible on the road. Furthermore, the super slow motion lets you play the recordings in slow motion at about 120 frames per second, which comes in handy during accidents. But the feature that we like the most is the built-in Alexa voice control. In case of any severe incident, it can upload your relevant medical history to an emergency center which you can choose during setup. You can control this dash cam via your phone app or its ear screen. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.